Hello and welcome back to Natural Earth Living. Have you ever felt that strange pause in the air? That moment between the seasons when it's not quite one thing, not quite the next. The light softens, the air shifts, and our bodies, just like the earth, feel the change. We might feel a bit tired, restless, or just out of rhythm. These are the in-between days where nature hangs in a delicate balance. And just as the world balances between warmth and chill, we too need to find our own seasonal equilibrium. Today we're going to explore 4 gentle herbs that are perfect allies for these transitions. They help steady our mood, energy, and emotions as the world around us transforms. Before we begin, a quick reminder, this video is for educational purposes. Please be certain of your plant identification and always consult with a qualified professional before using herbs for medicinal reasons. Our first helper is one we've met before, Tulsi, or holy basil. If you remember our winter episode, you'll know she's a powerhouse. Here, she acts as a bridge between worlds. In Ayurveda, Tulsi is called the incomparable one because of its incredible ability to help the body adapt to stress, whether it's from heat, cold, or just emotional turbulence. It's perfect for that mental fog that can roll in with the shifting daylight, as it strengthens the lungs, calms the mind, and sharpens focus. Modern studies even show that Tulsi can help reduce stress hormones and support our immune system. A daily cup of Tulsi tea is a wonderful way to stay grounded and uplifted during these transitional times. Just a note, it's best to avoid it during pregnancy, and make sure you're using true holy basil, not the common culinary kind. Next, let's brighten things up with lemon verbena. Just smelling its crisp, citrusy fragrance is like finding a patch of sunlight after a spring shower. This beautiful herb is a gentle mood lifter, soothing nervous tension and easing those seasonal blues or feelings of fatigue. It's also mildly cooling, which is fantastic for helping our bodies regulate temperature during the fluctuating days of spring and autumn. Herbalists love it for its antioxidant properties that support both mood and digestion. Here's a tip. To get the most out of its amazing scent, infuse the fresh leaves in warm, not boiling, water. Too much heat will chase away those beautiful volatile oils. Our third ally is the ultimate comfort herb, chamomile. Gentle, floral, and so forgiving, chamomile is like a warm hug in a mug. It's perfect for easing the anxiety, stomach tension, and sleeplessness that can often accompany seasonal shifts. If you're someone who feels sensitive to change, chamomile can help relax both your body and your mind. Science backs this up, confirming its calming effect on the nervous system. But be careful of lookalikes. Wild chamomile can be confused with mayweed, which has an unpleasant smell and can irritate the skin. A good rule of thumb? If it smells sweet like apples, you've got the right one. Finally, we have rosemary, the herb of clarity and warmth. Rosemary is a plant of transition, both stimulating and grounding at the same time. When the weather changes and your energy feels sluggish, rosemary is there to sharpen your focus, improve circulation, and lift that mental fog. For centuries, it's been a symbol of memory and renewal. As Shakespeare wrote, "There's rosemary, that's for remembrance." Try brewing it with a bit of lemon and honey for a vibrant morning tonic, or use it in a bath to awaken all your senses. A quick warning: if you have high blood pressure or are pregnant, it's best to avoid large medicinal doses. So, to recap, we have Tulsi for grounding, lemon verbena for brightening your mood, chamomile for calm, and rosemary for clarity. Together, they create a beautiful harmony to carry you smoothly through the shifting tides of the year. The changing months remind us that balance isn't something we just hold on to. It's something we move with. Like the wind through the trees, our energy must also learn to sway, bend, and return to center. These herbs are simply tools to help us dance with that rhythm, feeling steady, centered, and serene. Thank you for joining me today. If this video brought you a little bit of peace or inspiration, please consider liking, subscribing, and sharing it. It truly helps our community of herbal storytellers grow. And I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Which herb helps you feel balanced between the seasons? Until next time, be well.